I'm gonna make this video as short as possible. I look busted, so we're not gonna have an intro. Yes, queen. Okay, first things first, we're gonna start over here. I have all of my brushes. I have like hella brands, to be honest. Y'all, these are dirty because I don't wash them, but I have a lot of e.l.f., a lot of Morphe, a lot of Real Techniques. I have some Beach Cosmetics. What is this brand? Lang Nickel. I have a couple of Eco Tools. I just have all of my brushes in this like little bucket that I got at Michael's. Then behind there, I have this compartment. My makeup is not like very organized, but ew, I have a stain on the wall. That's over here, my foundation. This is the foundation I'm using currently. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation. I have my favorite foundation, which is the Too Faced Born This Way. And I have a bunch of foundations back here that I've just like neglected. The Milani, Fit Me. This Wet n Wild foundation is fucking cheap and it's really good. And then I have, oh god, this Revlon one, which is orange, but you know. Then I have this like MAC face and body foundation, which is like really good for the summer, but it's like hella dark. Back here I have all of my like eye crayon type of things. I have a bunch of these NYX jumbo eye pencils. There's a black one, a purple one, the one in milk, a golder one, and then like I have a rose gold one back here. Yeah. Then I have this MAC what is this, mascara. I really like need to go buy a mascara. I have this, which I never freaking use. I have NYX liquid liner. And yeah, that's basically all that's in that compartment. Oh, and then the NYC liquid liner. Over here I have a few more mascaras. I have a bunch of these like voluminous L'Oreal mascaras. I have a Revlon mascara, the Colossal by Maybelline, this little sample mascara, that's a Tarte mascara. This is really good, by the way. And a little tiny perversion, I can't even fucking get it out. Yeah, a little perversion mascara, which is this. I don't really remember where I got this. And then this Wet n Wild mini mascara as well. I'm running really freaking low on lashes, so these are like the only pair I own right now. I actually have another pair, but I lost the packaging, so the pair is in the bathroom. This is in the style Queen Bee, though. These are like humongous, but I love them. Okay, and then right here I have all of my Mario Badescu sprays, the aloe one, the rose water one, and then the lavender one back here. And then what is this? I just stuck this back here. This is Blush Brush Cleansing Gel, which I never use, but I need to. And then right here I have this MAC bag. I don't know what's in it. Oh, I just shoved a bunch of stuff in here. This is like a couple of face masks, Sephora face mask, and then there's individual eyelashes. Then there's like a few makeup wipes. We're gonna move on to palettes. These are like some of my palettes, not all of them. I have the Tartelette in Bloom palette, the Aurora Anastasia highlighting palette, which this palette is wild. Look at that. That's wild. I have the Anastasia blush palette, which this one's so pretty. Modern Renaissance, which everyone and their mother has this. She a bit busted. That's what that looks like. Juvia's Place Masquerade. I can't even open any of this. Masquerade palette. The Anastasia Glow Kit, which this is a lot of glitter. Like a lot of glitter. And then the Jaclyn Hill by Morphe palette. Moving along, yeah. I have this mirror, which, oh, she dirty. She real dirty. Oh, I'm not even gonna open it, girl. Moving on over here, a few more palettes. This palette is the first real palette I ever bought myself. She's really busted. Like, she's going through some shit, but she's still holding on. I have the Urban Decay Electric palette. I don't even think you can buy this anymore. This is what that baby looks like. And then my favorite fall palette, this palette's perfect for fall, the Shade and Light Eye Palette by Kat Von D. And then we have this last compartment. I don't have a lot of makeup, to be honest. Not as much as a bunch of other beauty gurus, but like, I have this lamp. I don't know where I got it. I don't know where I got this compartment. I got this compartment. at Target. But yeah, moving on to this. I have another makeup bag. You're Flawless. Filled with shit. Oh, look, there's another palette in here. The Too Faced No Filter Selfie Powders, which this is like the most pointless item ever, to be honest. Like, look. Like, I can't use any of these. I don't even know what to use this powder and this powder for, and then this one's a little too light. But then I have a moisturizer in there. Oh, I have my... Oh, girl, she messy. She a little dirty, but this is the Tea Tree Water Toner by Lush. My favorite primer. I'm keeping the packaging so I remember what it is. And then like a nasty sponge. Up here, I keep things that I can't fit anywhere else, which would be this Shea Moisture African Black Soap Clarifying Mud Mask. I use this like a lot. And then my Airspun Loose Powder, which is literally like the only powder I use. So yeah, moving on to the first drawer. I really need to go buy a new primer, to be honest, because this one is damn near finished. This is my favorite though. This is the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. Okay, the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Milk Blur Stick Sample thing. I have some sunscreen. NYX Pore Filler, Baby Skin Instant Pore Filler, because you girl, she got craters for pores. Oh, this is like a little under eye primer. This is nearly finished too. The Master Prime by Maybelline, a little mini Professional, and then this cute little oil thing. Over here, our concealer. You already know your girl got a thing for the Tarte Shape Tape. Under that though, I have the Born This Way concealer. Honestly, I need to start using this more because this was like $30 and I never use it. And then I have a bunch of these, what are these? LA Girl, the lighting though. LA Girl Pro Concealers. And then I have a NYX Green Concealer and then the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, which this is like out. I need to buy another one. This is like the best drugstore concealer you can ever buy. This is where shit starts to get a little hectic. Okay, I'm just gonna open it halfway. I have the Wet n Wild Contouring Palette. This is like busted. And then I have my favorite bronzer, which is the Tarte Hotel Heroes bronzer. Laura Geller highlighter, it's just a really good highlighter. A ColourPop highlighter, this one's like really pretty. The formula is like weird, but the shade High Five. e.l.f. blush, back here I have my Dandelion blush, which that's a little too light for me. And then I have my MAC Soft and Gentle. Is that what this is? Yeah, Soft and Gentle. A Wet n Wild highlighter and an e.l.f. cream highlighter, which is that's really good. Two Milani Rose blushes, a more coral one, and then a more pinky mauve. The best highlighter ever, which is the Becca Champagne Pop. We hit pan, but she's still living. And then I have this NYX Liquid Illuminator, and then this NYX Wonder Stick. Next drawer is really hectic as well. I have the e.l.f. Cream Contouring Kit. I have a ColourPop bronzer. I have my Too Faced Chocolate Slay. This is the only thing I contour with except for this contouring palette occasionally. I have some Laura Mercier loose powder, Maybelline Fit Me powder, a little e.l.f. under eye setting powder, Hoola bronzer by Benefit. Oh my god, move. I have the Master Fix powder by Maybelline. That powder sucks. Do not buy it. I have a CoverGirl loose powder. And then I have a Sonia Kashuk powder. That one's like alright. But it has flashback and it has those small glitters in it. I decided I was just going to take this drawer out. But yeah, I have a single shadow by Morphe. This is in the shade Orchid. I have a couple of Makeup Geek single shadows. I really need to buy a Z palette of these. And then basically everything left in here are singles, eyebrow products, or glitters. So yes, we have my lash glue and then my glitter glue. They call it glitter primer, whatever, same thing. My Anastasia Brow Wiz, and then this really cheap brow pomade thing. A mini sponge, my Kat Von D tattoo liner. This is so good. Another eyelash glue. A MAC paint pot in the shade Rubenesque. NYX Tame and Frame, an e.l.f. paint pot, basically. Yeah, these are all my ColourPop single shadows right here. And then the majority of my glitters are from Bulk Glitters. I'll pick out a few of my favorite ones. This one is like crazy. It's like gold and also holographic. This is Golden Eye. Then you gotta have your basic silver glitter. This is Slinky Silver. This one has been really pretty too. And this one is in the shade Princess Peach. This is a really, really pretty one for prom. And then I have this one, which is one of my favorites as well, Orbit Orange. Last drawer is all of my lip products. I have literally all kinds of lip products. I have glosses, ColourPop glosses, lip liners, a lot of these NYX matte lip creams, a lot of ColourPop glosses, a bunch of Rimmel lip liners, Kat Von D. This is a really pretty color, by the way. Clinique, Wet n Wild, Milani, NYX, LA Colors. Revlon back here, Mornick. Got some of the crazy things going on. This is Maybelline. Yeah, just everything of the sort I have in here, and if I don't, I'm going to show you one last thing. I have so many lip products and not enough space. I definitely need to get another one of those drawers because I'm definitely like gonna get more makeup, but for the meantime I just keep it in this, which is what I'll empty out if I needed to go do a client's makeup. And in here I have, like, I'm just gonna briefly go through this, like wands. What even is this? Oh, these are like quick brush cleansing wipes. Back here, what is this? Blotting sheets for oily skin gals or dudes. Some hand sanitizer, and then this glitter. Then in here, keep a few extra things. Mostly these NYX liquid lipsticks because my mom got me the Volt. So I have literally all colors, like black, blues, reds, grays, maroons. I have a bunch of browns and taupes. I have a bunch of bright pinks and oranges and purples, light blues, mid purples, and then I have a bunch of nudie pinks, nudie browns. Then in here I keep a few palettes that I don't use. So yeah, that was my full makeup collection. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave a like down below and to subscribe to my channel for more content. And I will see you guys in future videos. Peace.